Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Dia Fadil Azahar with study number 63. In this moment, I will present review the journal with the title Improving Heart Rate Measurement Accuracy by Reducing Artifact Noise from Finger Sensor Using Digital Filter. Overview in this presentation is abstract, introduction, material and method, result, discussion and conclusion. And the first is abstract. Heart rate is an important indicator in the health sector that can be used as an effective and rapid evaluation to determine the body's health status. Motion artifact, power line interference, low amplitude PPG, and signal noise are all issues that might arise when measuring heart rate. This study aims to develop a digital filter such as LMS adaptive and Butterworth filter that reduce noise artifacts on the finger sensor to improve heart rate measurement accuracy. In this research, the Nature finger sensor was employed to improve heart rate measurement accuracy. The heart rate sensor will detect any change in heart rate, and the measurement result will be present a personal computer or PC, a signal, and heart rate values. The result of this investigation showed that utilizing an adaptive LMS filter and a Butterworth low-pass filter with a cut-off frequency of 6 Hz order 4 and sampling frequency of 1000 Hz with the Butterworth filter producing the least error value of 7.57 and adaptive LMS maximum error value of 27.65 as predicted by the researcher to eliminate noise artifact. This research could be applied to monitoring other healthcare equipment systems to increase patient measurement accuracy. Introduction. Heart rate is an essential indicator in the health sector that may be used an effective and quick evaluation tool to determine the body's health status. The heart rate measurement is on the finger, toes, and ears. It has been established that the heart rate measurement on the fingertip and ears is more apparent and dependable heart rate. Photodiode and infrared are used in the finger sensor. Infrared will reflect light that enters the bloodstream, which the photodiode will pick up. Motion or noise artifact, power line interference, low amplitude PPG, and signal noise are all issues that might arise when measuring heart rate. A noise signal is caused by incorrect sensor positioning. The noise must be reduced to a specific degree to maintain the signal validity and produce an accurate BPM value and heart rate signal. To reduce noise caused by movement, a bandpass filter will with a cut-off frequency of 0.1 Hz to 5 Hz is used. Based on literature review, Muhammad Abu Raihan Mi'ah et al. Conducted a study in 2013 on heart rate monitoring utilizing a fingertip and microphone port with an optional sensor based on infrared technology to detect change in blood volume. However, it has drawback of requiring careful placement of the fingertip during installation to avoid inaccurate readings caused by hand movement. And Yang Liu et al. conducted in a study in 2013 on a method for decreasing noise in audio signal utilizing an adaptive LMS filter, an adaptive NLMS algorithm from noise reduction in speech application, and evaluate the suggested noise reducing method's performance. This study has the additional benefit of being able to improve the quality of noise audio signal. It does indeed, however, also have the drawback of just employing one sample audio signal. Various things need to be developed by the description of the literature study that has been provided, including the presence of noise when there a patient movement or noise artifact. The author goal in this study to design a digital filter, eliminate noise artifact on the finger sensor to improve heart rate measurement accuracy. Then the separate the sensor performance data and appropriate filter that may decrease or eliminate noise caused by patient movement was created. The adaptive LMS and Butterworth digital filter were also used in the experiment. The heart rate sensor will detect any change in heart rate, and the measurement data will be displayed as signal on a personal computer or PC. Next is material and method. First, material and tools. The student utilized a finger sensor that detected heart rate and pulse. The data generated by Arduino Uno module and Arduino software was then transferred from the module to the computer display via USB. And the experiment in the study, the respondents involved were 6 men with an average age of 18 years plus minus 2 years who didn't have heart rate defects. The data acquisition was done from the finger sensor to get the heart rate value or BPM, which was when filtered using an analog filter circuit. The analog filter output and then filtered digitally to reduce motion artifact. Data collection was carried out in two ways, namely the subject in the relaxed state and the subject in movement state. From the data collection, the signal to noise ratio or SNR was analyzed by comparing two digital filter methods, namely the Butterworth filter and the adaptive LMS filter. Next is method. The digital filter method used in this research are the adaptive least mean square or LMS filter and the EER filter. One of the most extensively used traditional filter design methods is the Butterworth filter. The Butterworth filter is preferable because it has a passband amplitude response that is practically flat or maximally flat, and has no ripple. This is a low frequency ER filter. The ER filter is very good and has a lot of processing capacity. Okay, and the next slide is a diagram log. This picture shows when the infrared light from the transmitter penetrated the finger and was collected by the photodiode sensor at the receiver. The photodiode output generated a signal as a result of the blood flow. An analog signal conditioning circuit will handle the photodiode sensor output signal. However, there was still noise in the signal, which necessitated the use of a filter circuit to remove it. An adaptable LMS digital filter and Butterworth digital filter were utilized. The signal will be converted into digital data using the Arduino microcontroller analog to digital converter before being treated on the filter or ADC. Before the filter procedure is carried out, the result of the signal can be seen in Arduino programming. The outcomes of the digital signal conservation will be also managed using Arduino digital filter programming. Okay, and the next is a flow chart. In the flow chart of Arduino process in heart rate was detected, a digital filter process was carried out, and there was a selection process, namely the Butterworth digital filter and the adaptive LMS filter, each of which a cut-off frequency score with then output data to personal computer. And the right picture the flowchart of the personal computer in the process of initializing the program to the microcontroller so that it is connected to the PC. In this case, the data is received by the PC to carry out the digital filter process, which will then displayed on the screen. Next is a result. In the left is the picture about the output from the finger sensor that further pass the to the analog conditional circuit. The output of analog signal conditional circuit will be fed into Arduino Uno pin and so in the DLP program. And result of collection BPM value data from respondent. In the left, the result data collection on the BPM value from the respondent. And the left, the table above present the average BPM and standard deviation measurement of each LMS adaptive filter and Butterworth filter with relax condition and motion condition. This is this table in the right. In the left, this table shows the SNR measurement average value and the standard deviation of each LMS adaptive filter and Butterworth filter with relax condition and motion condition. And the right is comparison between mean and standard of the standard deviation SNR measurement Butterworth filter and adaptive LMS filter with two conditions. And the next is the discussion. It can be used together data or monitor PPG signal and BPM values based on the program used in the module, which includes detection, display, and signal processing program, as well as BPM value before and after the Butterworth filter and adaptive LMS filter. The DLP application display the result of the Arduino program processing. The weakness of the study is the threshold process for calculating BPM is still manual and doesn't use an adaptive threshold. Implication of the study serve as information for other researchers in order to be able to choose the right filter to reduce interference from motion condition, that the better noise reduction result, the higher the SNR value obtained. And the conclusion, the purpose of the study is to design a digital filter to eliminate noise artifact and on the finger sensor to improve heart rate measurement accuracy using adaptive LMS or Butterworth digital filter. The study was able to use a finger sensor to pulse technique, which measures blood flow in the finger, was used to determine heart rate. The Butterworth filter generates the smallest error value of plus minus 7.57, and the adaptive LMS generate the biggest error value of plus minus to 27.65. The better noise reduction result, the higher the SNR value obtained in the Butterworth filter. In the future, it could be applied to other healthcare equipment system being monitored to increase patient measurement accuracy. Reference Indonesian Journal of Electronics, Electromedical Engineering, and Medical Informatics with the title Improving Heart Rate Measurement Accuracy by Reducing Artifact Noise from Finger Sensor Using Digital Filter. Okay, I think that's all of me. Thank you for your attention. See you in the next moment. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.